Hello, my friend. Let me show you my workshop of extruders. These are the conical twin screw extruders, which are going to export it to different countries. Like this black color machine is going to export to Uzbekistan, and this one is going to export it to Azerbaijan, and this one to Sri Lanka, to Vietnam. The configuration of the machine is the best. For example, the temperature controller is Omron, and the motor is the Siemens motor, and other electrics like inverter is ABB inverter.